Students, next continuation, that is examples of hydration of alkenes. Examples: hydration of alkenes. Hydration of alkene means addition of water. Addition of water. Alkenes are do not react with water directly. It is very most important point, student. Alkenes are do not react with water directly, but alkenes are react with water in the presence of acid catalyst. Acid catalyst, that means here acid catalyst means H plus, in the presence of H plus. When one propene react with water in the presence of H plus, what is the production? We know that is this bond shifting towards here, this carbon getting negative charge and this carbon getting positive charge. We get here H2O it contained, that is H plus and OH minus. So what is the final production? That is, it follows the Markovnikov rules: CH, then OH, then CH3. This is the final production. And what about the second production, student? Here second example, that is, here all the bond shifting towards right side and this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. We get that is H2 also same thing, H plus and OH minus. So we get final product, that is CH3, CH2, then CHOH, then CH3. We know first step is electrophile will attack this position, nucleophile will attack this position, H plus will attack this position and OH minus will attack this position. And second one also same thing. So here it is also here secondary carbocation is formed. Secondary carbocation is formed. Now here, then this bond shifting towards here, we get that is CH3, CCH3, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. So in first step will attack. We know that is electrophile will attack this position. We get that is CH3, CCH3, then CH3. It is a tertiary carbocation. We know that is after that his OH minus will attack this position. This OH minus will attack this position. So what is the final production? That is CH3, CH3, then CH3. These are tertiary alcohols. This is also simple section. Now take the one more example, student. Here this is very most important, student. Generally this bond shifting towards right hand side. These three all follow the Markovnikov rules. And this bond shifting towards right hand side, we get what is the final production? That is, what is the compound? First step is bond breaking, CH, then CH3, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. In first step is will attack the electrophile will attack negative charge side. We get intermediate carbocation is from CH3, CH3, here H is there, and then CH plus, then CH3. Intermediate carbocation is there. Intermediate carbocation is from, that is 2 degree carbocation. That is 2 degree means that is secondary carbocation. This is secondary carbocation. Why? Because of this positive charge present on secondary carbon. So that's why secondary carbocation. And here tertiary carbocation also possibility is there, but here this secondary carbocation want to be tertiary carbocation, but here hydride shifting is possible. This bond having 2 electron, this complete 2 electron transfer towards right hand side, transfer to hydrogen. So it is called as hydride, that is H minus. This H minus shifting, 1,2 shifting, that is hydride shifting or H minus. This H minus it is called as hydride shifting. That means that is 1,2 shifting. So we get what is the compound, student? That is tertiary compound will be formed. Tertiary carbocation is formed, CH3, CH2, then CH3. This is tertiary carbocation is formed. After that here OH minus will attack this position. So we get final product, student, that is CH3, CH3, here OH, then CH2, then CH3. In hydration of alkenes also undergoes rearrangement, also possibility is there. In hydration of alkenes also rearrangement is possible. This is the final product, student. These are the hydration of alkenes. Now take the one more example, student, that is CH3, like this. Here this double bond shifting towards here. In first step is what happens, student? That is first step is bond breaking. So we get that is CH3, CH3, then CH3, this CH plus, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. In first step what happens, student? In first step is electrophile will attack negative charge side. We get that is CH3, CH3, then CH3, CH plus, then CH3. that is secondary 2 degree carbocation is formed, is called secondary carbon. This positive charge present on secondary carbon, so that's what is called secondary carbocation or 2 degree carbocation. Here also possibility is there, here also rearrangement is possible, here also rearrangement is possible, student. That is 2 degree secondary carbocation want to be tertiary carbocation. Here methyl shifting CH3 minus, that is 1,2 shifting, 1,2 shifting, that is methyl shifting. Why? Because of this carbon do not contain hydrogen. If hydrogen is there, will shifting hydride, but here there is no hydrogen. So here this carbon having 3 methyl groups are there. Out of these 3, 1 methyl group shifting towards the right hand side. So here methyl shifting, that is methyl shifting means CH3 minus. This bond breaking, this bond having 2 electrons, these 2 electrons shifting to methyl group, so that is CH3 minus, shifting of shifting methyl group shifting to secondary carbocation. That secondary carbocation want to be tertiary carbocation. We know that is the secondary tertiary carbocation, that is CH3 CH3, here plus charge, then CH, then CH3, then CH3. This is a tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation. Why? Because of, already we discussed everything. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation. Why? Because of due to the hyperconjugation, and we know stability order, tertiary is more stable than secondary, secondary is more stable than primary carbocation. This is the order, stability of carbocation, understand. Then after that, here student, that is OH minus, this OH minus will attack this position. So what is the final production? That is CH3, then OH, then CH, then CH3, then CH3. This is the final product, student. This is the final product. In hydration of alkenes, rearrangement also possible, student. Rearrangement also possible in hydration of alkene. It is very most important, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.